Congratulations on your purchase of the PowerXL Smokeless Grill Pro. You are now going to experience the convenience of indoor grilling with outdoor results. Let's first check what's in your box and make sure you have all the parts and accessories. First, take the unit from the box and remove all the packing materials. Most models of our PowerXL Smokeless Grill Pro contain the tempered glass cook and look lid, the base unit, the non-stick cross-hatch grill plate, the heating element with control panel, and the drip tray. Inside the drip tray, you will find a clear plastic bag with the PowerXL Smokeless Grill recipe book, information on how to redeem your free non-stick griddle plate, the quick start guide, and the PowerXL Smokeless Grill Owner's Manual, the handle for the tempered glass lid, and the power cord. They are inside the removable water tray drawer. The removable electric fan and snap-off fan cover are already installed. However, you can remove the fan for cleaning. Please make sure you have all of these parts and accessories. If you are missing anything, please go to our website at www.powersmokelessgrill.com or call our customer service number at 973-287-5129. Once you make sure you have all your parts, let's assemble your unit. It's so easy. First, let's assemble the tempered glass lid. You will need the lid, the handle, and the screws. The screws are connected to the handle. First, using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws, washer, and silicone gaskets from the handle. Then, place the handle onto the lid with the screw holes lined up over the pre-drilled holes in the lid. Now, insert one screw with washer and silicone gasket and screw it into the handle. Do not tighten it all the way yet. Now, take the other screw with washers and gaskets and insert it into the other hole. Tighten that one. Check to see that your handle is securely on your lid, and then tighten the screws until they are snug. Be careful not to over-tighten because the pressure could crack the tempered glass lid. It's a good idea to hand wash the glass lid, non-stick grill plate, drip tray, and water tray collection drawer with warm soapy water before you use your PowerXL Smokeless Grill Pro. You could also run them all through the dishwasher. They are dishwasher safe. Wipe down the inside and outside of the base unit with a clean, moist cloth. Never wash or submerge your heating element, electric fan, or base unit in water or liquid of any kind. Water will damage the electric parts and connections. To remove the fan, turn the base unit upside down. Locate the fan cover and remove the holding screw with a small Phillips screwdriver. Push the arrows on the snap-off fan cover forward and reveal the fan in the chamber. Now, using even pressure to lift out the fan unit, remove it. It can be cleaned with a warm, moist cloth. Now, let's put the grill back together and you are ready to go. Slip the fan unit back into the base unit. It is easy to see the connection prongs which fit through the pre-drilled holes in the base unit. Slide the fan cover back on so that the 3 tabs slip into the 3 tab slots. It will snap into place. Now, cover and tighten the holding screw. Next, flip the base unit right side up. Insert the water tray collection drawer into the drawer slot at the bottom of the base. It simply slides in and out. Then add the drip tray over the water tray. Now, slip on the heating element with control panel. It should slide easily into the grooves designed to hold it. Then, add the grill plate. It is important to look at the mold on the back of the grill plate. There are 3 smaller grooves that should be placed over the part of the heating element that connects to the power cord. This will ensure that your grill or griddle plate fits exactly over the heating element for maximum heat transfer. Now let's put on the tempered glass lid. It's easy. You will see 2 black tips at each end of the hinge. Insert one tip into the guide on the base unit to hold the lid, and then simply let the other side snap into place on the other guide. Take the detachable power cord and insert the female side into the outlet on the unit's heating element. Plug the power plug into an electrical outlet. It is best to use a dedicated outlet, and to make sure your PowerXL Smokeless Grill Pro is on a level surface. Now, just heat up the unit for a few minutes by first turning on the fan and then setting the temperature. Simply push the arrows on the heating dials to get the temperature you want. The up arrow turns the heat up, and the down arrow turns the heat down. Let it heat for a few minutes. This will burn off any residue. Now, turn off your unit and get ready to use your PowerXL Smokeless Grill Pro.